Hey, welcome to our answer book project, designed by Nora and Selena. Do lingering questions echo in your mind? Here we are. Inspired by ancient sources of wisdom, reminiscent of the revelation in the Bible, our project is a modern take on the idea of receiving enlightenment through a book. Using Particle Photon 2 microcontrollers, photoresistor sensors, Noda.js, and GPT API, we have created an interactive answer book that responds to user queries. Our team divided the workload based on our interests and skills. Nora focused on connecting the Photon with the GPT API and managing the backend. Meanwhile, Selena took charge of integrating the OLED display, exploring how to effectively show the answers returned by GPT, and is responsible for the fabrication of our book. Together, we documented every step from diagrams to wiring setups. The system consists of two main components. The first component is a book with a dial that allows users to select one of three topics: life, love, or career. The second component is a screen that displays answers generated by ChatGPT. When the user opens the book, the screen presents a response based on the chosen topic. Our group focused on the design and implementation of the answer display system to implement the display. Firstly, we used a test button to simulate a signal from the book system. When the button is pressed, it represents the book being opened, triggering a test message to appear on the OLED screen. This is the test message on the screen. Next, we used Node.js to set up a local server to retrieve answers from ChatGPT. A GET request is sent from the Photon 2, triggering the JavaScript code to call the ChatGPT API and fetch the response. Afterward, the response from ChatGPT is displayed on the OLED screen. This is one of the answers from ChatGPT. Next, we defined a new variable to store the selected book topic: love, life, or career. We pass the value of this variable as an argument in the URL to the local server and ask different questions to ChatGPT based on the selected book topic. Finally, we use Particle Cloud to communicate with another Photon device embedded in the book, which was implemented by the other group. A GET request is sent from the Photon 2, triggering the JavaScript code to call the ChatGPT API and fetch the response. Through various experiments, we evaluated the integration of the hardware and software components. For instance, we had to address challenges with the OLED display to ensure a smooth and legible user experience. We also conducted tests to optimize the Photon's cloud connection and the speed at which answers were delivered. One of the key lessons we learned was how to handle power management for LEDs and other connected hardware. The first component is a book with a dial that allows users to select one of three topics: life, love, or career. For the fabrication section, we choose laser cutting to launch the physical book covers. After designing the scripts for the book within Illustrator, we laser cut the whole book and left a blank hole for the OLED display. In this project, both Nora and Selena chose the highest challenge level. Throughout the design process, we encountered numerous challenges, particularly in achieving a stable connection between the two photons. Nora dedicated significant time to refining the code, ensuring we achieved the desired effect with each iteration. Selena focused on the aspects of OLED installation and fabrication. Ultimately, we completed the challenge successfully and met our intended level of difficulty. Looking ahead, the interactive answer book could evolve into a more advanced platform that integrates additional sensors and AI capabilities. Future iterations might include speech recognition, allowing users to interact with the book using voice commands, making the experience even more seamless. We also envision expanding the range of topics and incorporating machine learning algorithms to provide more personalized, context-aware responses. In conclusion, the interactive answer book serves as a proof of concept that bridges physical and digital interactions. This project helped us understand the complexities of integrating AI with physical devices. We aim to share our results with our peers and further refine the system to make it even more intuitive and responsive. Always welcome to experience our fancy device and seek answers.